Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. So I am going to be sharing my experience today using a new teeth whitening system. I've been using this system for the last 3 weeks, and in full disclosure, it was sent to me by the company. They reached out, asked if I was interested, and I took a look at the product, and I thought it might definitely be worth testing out for you guys. So this is the Auraglow whitening system. I will be putting a link to this as well as a 15% discount code if you're interested in the description box down below. So make sure you check that out if you would like to pick this system up. The reason that I was really interested in this one is because I have custom trays for my mouth for whitening specifically. And these were done by a dentist, and if you have ever priced out teeth whitening with your dentist, whether they do it in office, like if they are actually the ones whitening your teeth, or whether they create trays for you and then send you home with a whitening like a whitening gel, either option it's a little spendy. This particular system from Auraglow retails for $80, so way less expensive than my custom trays were, way less expensive. And one of the things that they really stress about their formula is that it does not cause your teeth to become sensitized. And as someone who in her 20s bleached her teeth on a super regular basis, I am much more careful with whitening systems at this point in time because I would like to keep my teeth for the remainder of my life. So you do have to be careful with the amount of times that you bleach your teeth. I am also not at a point anymore where I bleach them so that they are like as white as my shirt. Like in my 20s, my teeth were this white. I just don't think that looks natural anymore. So when I whiten my teeth, I get them to a like natural state of whiteness that I'm really comfortable with. And this system did that very, very quickly. I've only been using it for 3 weeks, and I don't use it every single day. In fact, I have used this system probably every other or every third day, and that has gotten me to this level of whiteness here within just 3 weeks. There are 20 uses when you receive your box. So by the way, I will pop in a before and after picture at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I want to talk a little bit about the before and after. So when you get the system, you get 2 tubes of their 35% carbamide peroxide. So you get 2 tubes of this. And then you get this really neat little device here. Now I'm going to give you guys a little tip here in a second to really get what I think are the best results with something like this. So this is it has the blue light technology in it. So when you push the little button on the front here, it illuminates and it's quite bright. So what you do is you put the gel, well, the instructions say, put the gel onto this silicone tip here, both the top and the bottom, because you're obviously going to be bleaching both your upper and your lower teeth. So make sure that you distribute the gel evenly. Very, very thin layer. You don't need a lot of the gel. Don't overuse the gel. There's no need to. And then you turn this on, pop it in your mouth, and then you basically leave this in. I left it in like between 20 and 30 minutes. I think the recommended time is actually 30 minutes. I don't think that I needed to leave it in for 30 minutes. I did find this to be very comfortable. It's super lightweight, so it's not like you're carrying around like this heavy mouthpiece if you are doing the dishes while you're whitening your teeth or whatever. This is very easy to keep inside of your mouth. The gel itself, I mean, it's like any peroxide gel. It doesn't taste particularly great, but I don't think it's supposed to either. So I don't have a huge issue with the taste of this, but it's not like it's minty fresh or anything like that. Now, what I actually have been doing, so the first couple times I just applied the whitening gel to the actual silicone mouthpiece here, but then I thought, I have all these old makeup brushes that I'm not doing. Why am I not painting this gel on my teeth first? So I took this really small makeup brush that I really never actually used, and what I started doing was painting. So basically just squeezing some of the whitening gel onto the makeup brush and then literally painting it on my teeth. Now, the key here is make sure that your teeth are dry first. So either, you know, hang out with your mouth open for a little while, or just take like a clean towel and kind of dab the saliva off of your teeth. It's really best if your teeth are dry when you apply the gel. So I just kind of painted that onto all of the teeth. Now, what that's gonna do is that's going to keep the whitening gel from getting onto your gums, because you're really careful to avoid the gums. I didn't really have any sensitivity to my gums after using this particular gel, but I also think it's good to just avoid peroxide on your gums to begin with. So if you have an old makeup brush, or maybe, I don't know, just go to your local drugstore or whatever and pick up like a really small eyeshadow brush, even if it's one from e.l.f. or whatever that you can toss when you're done, and just paint that onto all of the teeth that you would like to have whitened. I have a pretty broad smile, so I have to whiten like all of my teeth. But that makes it really easy to apply the gel precisely where you want it, and then just pop the mouthpiece in, turn it on, do your whitening session, and then when you're done, just rinse your mouth out, make sure you clean up your brush, and then you're good to go. I always brush my teeth prior to whitening. I think that's just a good thing to do. But the level of white that I've achieved in just 3 weeks using this like just a few times a week is really impressive to me. So the before and after that I'll pop in at the end of this video. I took the before on an evening, so the lighting is different in both of the pictures, but I think you guys can just tell based off of how much brighter my teeth are now compared to like a few weeks ago in my videos, that this stuff really works, and it's really gentle. I am quite impressed with this gel. This is more gentle on my teeth than what my dentist gave me. And it works. Like, my teeth are so white. So yeah, like you can see, just like all the way back, I was able to like get all of the teeth with using the brush, and I love this level of whiteness. So this is the perfect level of white for me. So for me, maintenance wise going forward, what I'm gonna, because I still have gel left. So what I'm gonna do is maybe once a month, once or twice a month, do a whitening treatment and just kind of maintain this particular level of whiteness. I'm really happy with how my teeth look, and they're not sensitive at all. And my teeth, from doing a lot of bleaching earlier on in my life, do tend to get pretty sensitive whenever I use the Crest white strips, or when I use the whitening gel that my dentist gave me with my whitening trays. Like, I mean, they get kind of sore, and I just did not have that experience with the Auraglow at all. So even if you have whitening trays, but you find that the gel that you're getting from your dentist is a little too much, I think this is worth a try. You can actually just purchase the gel on its own. You can get replacements of the gel. This piece you're obviously going to keep. By the way, it does come with a charging cord that's in my bathroom, but it's very easy to charge this thing up. You just attach it to this little magnetized thing on the back, and then it charges very quickly. And then you're good to go for multiple uses. In fact, I don't even think that I've charged this since the very first time that I've charged it. So good battery life on this, I guess. Good charge life, I guess. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how my teeth look. So the after picture that you're seeing, it was just taken this morning, so you can see just how bright, and I don't know, I'm really happy with how bright my teeth are right now. I do tend to drink a fair amount of coffee. I don't really do a ton of red wine anymore. However, I think that the coffee consumption definitely aids to just like my teeth weren't necessarily super yellow, but they were just kind of dingy looking. And I don't know, I'm a big fan of a bright white smile. I think it just makes you look more alive, more healthy. Obviously make sure you visit your dentist as well and get your regular checkups and deal with anything that you need to in your mouth. I think that dental health is super, super important. So, you know, if you have dental issues, do what you can to get into a dentist and be seen. But if you have healthy teeth and you are just looking to brighten them up a little bit, definitely check this Auraglow system out. Like I said, the kit that I have retails for $80. There is a 15% off code if you're interested. No pressure at all. But I did find this system to be very gentle for me, and I'm kind of a big fan. So anyway, if you have any questions for me about Auraglow, definitely leave them in the comments down below. Check out the description box for all of the details. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.